Copyscope is a collection of 20 files that allows you to copy from the experts with the never-before-released vault of files that are going to allow you to get started quicker than you ever thought possible. Everything from your first Periscope broadcast to the exact template you can follow to present and sell affiliate products or showcase a product in the service industry, or even what to do when you just need to reconnect with your audience. Each swipe file contains time-stamped suggestions, broadcast titles, recommended hashtags, call-to-action prompts and much more. Proven to convert periscopes you can plug in and play instantly. Well, with the WPScope WordPress plugin you can follow highly targeted video experts. With over 10 million Periscope users and more than 200 million videos being created and streamed last year alone, finding someone who is creating videos and publishing them about your niche is going to be easy. One-click connect with them and capture videos. The WPScope plugin allows you to find your perfect video publishers and send them a tweet, request and permission to publish on your channel. WPScope provides optional links back to them to help build their authority online, so it's a total win-win. Save the videos to your YouTube channel. Once you check the box in your WPScope admin and activate the plugin, everything runs on autopilot. Anytime one of your listed video creators releases a new video, the plugin auto-detects it and captures it before Twitter deletes it forever. Publish in your viral lists. The WPScope plugin can automatically post it onto your blog too. Even more powerful, WPScope lets you cross-link between YouTube and your blog, allowing you to post a URL back to your blog in the YouTube video description. For even more traffic,